positive difference, we did that one. Oh, which of the, and so number 6, I don't think anybody's used. Not that it matters, you don't have to. I'm just curious which ones we're avoiding. How many, we did number 8 at one point. And we did number, oh no, we didn't do 8, did we? We did 9.
No, we didn't do it.
6 and 8 I don't think have been used, but not, it doesn't matter. You guys can ask whatever you want. It's Team B's question. And remember, Aiden is waiting to snipe your number, so be ready based on the answer to yell out the number quickly.
Okay, so I think let's do 3 because it's easy.
Okay, which digits?
So let's do 10 and 1 digit.
The difference between, okay, so the last 2, right?
Yeah.
The positive difference, which question is this? Okay. Positive difference between the, I'm going to call it the 3rd and 4th digit. The positive difference is 7.
Okay. 7.
Again, numbered one left to right. Team A, Claire, you have a question or a guess?
Question number 6.
Okay.
Which of the 1st and 4th digit is greater?
Fourth is greater.
4th is greater.
Ooh, maybe you should have asked question 3 about the 1st and the 4th. Right? If you've done the 1st and the 4th, you know they're perfect squares, you can probably figure out in some order at least.
Yeah.
And then if you combined it with which is greater, then you would probably know for sure what it was. But we didn't ask that. We did 3rd and 4th. What should here? Aiden, team, how many questions have we done so far? 1, 2, 3, 5. So I think Team B is up next, right?
Yeah. So do we do breakout rooms?
Really? You ready? Well, wait. Let's do one more question so we're even on the questions. And then we'll do breakout room.
I think we could do number 2.
All right. What is the product of the digits of this number?
And we're gonna ask thousands, hundreds, and tens.
So it's 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. So yeah, they want you. I guess that's why they did TH. They were thinking 100th, 10th. Yeah, you're doing it the right way. I just think it's easier with my brain. So the first 3 numbers, the product of the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd digits is 10. So that kind of tells you what those digits are, doesn't it?
Oh.
And that tells you what the 1st digit. Aiden?
Wait. Is it 1524?
It is not 1524.
Can I guess?
What about 152?
1529.
Yep, it's 1529.
Wow.
So you got one miss, but you got it on the second one. Nicely done.
Aiden.
1529. All right, we got 8 minutes. Another round, or do you want to head to head?
Let's do all together as a team.
Okay, let's see. So that took what? 6 questions?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you get it in faster than 6? Let me come up with another number.
Aiden, tell me tough knuckles. Undefeated.
Okay, I have a number. And now we don't have teams, so who wants to ask a question? What you guys can discuss it as a class. What do you think is the best first question?
Definitely 7 for perfect squares.
7? Yeah, that's pretty good. It gives you a good place to start.
Yeah.
So what do you want to know? Which of your digits are
perfect squares?
Perfect squares. Let's see. Which of my digits are perfect squares? Be first.
First is a perfect square. Okay.
It could be 1. Then it could be 0.
It seems like your second favorite question is number 4 usually.
4. Oh yeah, definitely 4 for 5. Number 4 for.
It could be 1, 4, or 9 for the first.
We can do number 4 for 5.
Okay, number 4, which is pairs of 2 consecutive digits for multiples of 5. None of them.
None.
So that
No
doesn't
5s
count.
and no 0s.
Unless the 5 is the very first number,
True.
right? But 0 can't be.
Yeah.
But it can't be.
No, it can't. Because it's a perfect square.
Yes, it can't.
Yep. So the first one can't be 5, you're right.
That was actually a really good clue. Or 0.
None of them are 5, you're right. Maybe
It's
I
like
should
it
have put a
looks
5
useless, but it's actually helpful.
Probably should have put a 5 or a 0 in my number.
Okay. How many digits are the same?
So you're asking like how many different digits am I using?
Yeah.
4
Like
different
number 5.
digits.
4.
4
I
different
believe
digits.
1 is a perfect square, so that helps you. Right? Only the first digit is a perfect square. None of the others are perfect squares. So they're not, the other digits are not, 0, 4, or 9. We already know 5's not in there. You guys are going to get this pretty quickly, I think. Even my number wasn't hard enough. And I'll say once you've asked a question in between, you can return to the same question if you want. So since you after using 4, you used question 5, you could use question 4 or 7 again with a different value in there.
Let's just 4 for 3.
Okay, which are multiples of 3? The middle 2.
Middle 2.
What if you did 9 and I said all of them? You better yell out the number fast, right?
Yeah.
9 is in the 4-digit number. How many digits are correct and appear in the correct place? All of them. Oh, that's my number.
Wait a second. I think I would like to do number 9.
Okay.
In the 4-digit number 1049, how much digits are correct and how much digits are in the correct place?
1 is correct.
Well, you would have known that 0, 4, 9 aren't going to work because they're perfect squares, right?
Oh.
So you kind of know this one now.
Oh no. Oh,
Right?
that's not gonna help at all.
What's the first digit?
The first digit can either be 0, 1, 4, or 9.
Can it? It can't be 0 because you can't start
1,
with
4, 9.
But we know, okay, combine number 7 with number 9. How many digits are perfect squares? Only one of them, right?
Yeah.
So in the 4-digit number 1049, we know the first digit is a perfect square. We know none of the other digits can be perfect squares because I would have answered 7 and I would have said one of the other digits was also a perfect square, right?
Yeah.
So that means the second, third, and fourth are not perfect squares.
And And none of them can be.
And if only one number in here is in the right place and the right number, it's got to be the 1.
Yeah.
Right?
So that
Because 0, 4, and 9 can't be right because they're perfect squares, and if they were in the right spot, we would be then I'd have extra perfect squares. I couldn't have answered 7 as only the first is a perfect square. So 0, 4, and 9 are clearly wrong. So the only one that could be right in that number is 1.
1728.
What the heck? That is correct.
What the Aiden?
What?
Yo.
How did you piece that together so quickly?
Aiden's
didn't think there was
It has to be a
to get-
multiple of 9, so, and it can't be repeated, so it can't be 6 and 6. So it can't be 6 at all. It can't be 3 and 3, because that's repeating.
And the middle 2 are a multiple of 3.
It has to be 7 or 2 or 2 and 7, and we know the first digit's 1, so it can't be 2, because 1
12 would be a
was
multiple of
3.
3.
And then, which means it has to be 7, 2, and then 8 was the only number left.
Nice. Really nicely done. That's awesome. I'm surprised. So that was what? 4 questions? Yeah, 4 questions. So really, that 1049 was actually a really good question. Even though those 049 couldn't really work, you nailed the 1. So you figured out the first number, and that was all you needed. So that took you guys 4 questions. And it is 11 o'clock. So if you have that screenshot, feel free to play that. I personally